VLOOKUP is one of the Excel's most powerful lookup functions. You will need this function in almost every day in your personal and professional life. Today, we will learn how to use the VLOOKUP function. Excel is all about data. Suppose you have a table and you are working on a sales order table. You are trying to find an order ID and the corresponding product name. If you have a small number of data, you can easily find it. But suppose you have thousands of data, then it is very difficult and very time consuming. We can use VLOOKUP to locate a product based on a particular order ID. To get started, let's begin by entering the VLOOKUP function. Let's start the Microsoft Excel. As you can see that I have opened the Excel software, and then we'll click on blank workbook. First we'll create the table. As you can see that we have created 4 columns. If you are very new in Excel, so this is called a cell, and these are the columns and these are the rows. So we have created a heading with the sales report, and we'll make it a little bit bigger, and we'll write our order ID 201, apples, unit price 12, 101, quantity is 40, 2002, oranges, unit price 14, quantity 16, 2003, grapes 17. Okay, so we can create a very long table, but to make it very simple, we'll keep this as it is. We'll do some formatting on this table. So we give a border, and let's make this center aligned. Okay, so our table is ready, and so now we'll write the VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function takes 4 parameters. The first parameter will be the value that we are trying to locate, that will be in the first column of the table, and in our example we will try to search the order ID 2002. The second parameter we'll need to enter is the table or source of the data. So VLOOKUP will use the range. The range provider must include So now we'll write the VLOOKUP function. So first we have to press equal, and then we have to write the VLOOKUP function name, and then we type the bracket. So the VLOOKUP function has 4 parameters. The first one is the lookup value. So the lookup value is the value that we are trying to search with. So in this case we are trying to find 2002, and then the second parameter is the table array. So that is we can just drag and drop. This will be the range of the data that 2002 will be searched in. So 200 will be searched with the first column of the selection. So make sure that is the first column. So then the third parameter is the column index number. So in this case the column index number will be 2. So 1 is for the order ID and 2 is for the product name. So and the last parameter is true or false. So if you select true, so it will try to match, and if you type false, so it will be exact match. So most of the time you will be using this false option value. And then so to wrap up the VLOOKUP function, so first one is the key, the search key, then the second one is the range, third one is the column name, and the last one is the match. So if we press enter, so we should see in the results it will be oranges. So this is the oranges. So now we'll try to write another VLOOKUP function. So we type the function VLOOKUP and then we type the value. So we will also now select the whole table, that is order ID, product name, unit price and quantity. So our query is that to know the number of quantity of the product order ID 2002. So we'll try, we're writing a 2002 and then we have selected the range, and in this case the column index number will be 1 2 3 4. So and the last one is the parameter false. So let's see what happens. So since we did not write the false, so in this case the result will be 60. So the it will first go to the order ID and it will search for 2002, and then on the right it will try to find get the value for the fourth column, that is 1 2 3 4. So the quantity will be 60. So let's see. Okay, so this is the column 60. So in this case you can write lots of VLOOKUP function. So we'll try to do something different. Now we'll get the unit price of the product, that is what the order ID is 2003. So similarly we'll select the range, then we'll type the column ID, that is 1 2 3, and then it will be false. So VLOOKUP function is a very important function and you can use it for a different number of things. So suppose you can also use this like a search key. So suppose if you want we can do something. So let's see, let's search key, and so let's make this a box. Let me create a very nice box, and then whatever you write here it will show you the consolidated order, product name, unit price and quantity. So let's do, so equal, select, we write the VLOOKUP function, we'll select these values. So whatever is written in D1, the table array will be from A3 to D6. The column index will be the product ID. So we'll write the product name, unit price and quantity. So it will be 1 2 and false. So now we'll copy this and copy this, and so here we'll write 2, there will be a 3, and here we'll write 4. So we'll the name and column and unit price and okay. So as you can see that whatever already you write, and if you write and press enter, it will get all the information in this way. So this one is pretty simple and you can just make some tweaking so it will look nice. As you can see, this one is very easy to use, and you can use VLOOKUP in your daily life. And that's all from my end. So if you like this video, please like this video, and do subscribe for more Excel tutorials. If you have any specific problem, you can just write in the comments, and you can also send me an email at zakaria7@gmail.com. So thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.